Okay, so here we have a radical equation that we have to solve. Square root of 3x plus 1 is equal to 5. And now it's not completely obvious how we go about this, because x, we're trying to solve for x, but it's kind of buried in the square root. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that square root by squaring both sides, right? Square and square root are inverses, so they cancel each other out. So what's going to happen is we just square both sides of the equation. And so on the left, right, the square root and the square, they cancel each other out. And on the right, we have 5 squared, so that's 25. And so now all we have is a linear equation which we can solve for x. So here we go, right? Subtract 1 from both sides. So you get 25 minus 1 is 24 on the right side. And then divide both sides by 3. So we get x is equal to 8. And now when we get to the end of any radical equation, anytime you square both sides of the equation, you could introduce some roots that are not actual real roots of the original equation. And so we always have to test our answer. So plug in x equals 8 back into the original equation. So here I go. Square root of 3 times x, or 8 plus 1. And indeed, that gives you 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And so we have square root of 25, which is indeed 5. And so 8 is indeed a solution to this equation.